how the government can take away your U.S. citizenship. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, U.S. Immigration News. Why this topic matters. Imagine working for years to become a U.S. citizen, only to find out it could be taken away. Sounds shocking, right? U.S. citizenship is one of the most powerful legal statuses in the world. It gives you the right to vote, live freely, and receive full protection under the law. For most people, it feels permanent, and in almost all cases, it is. But here's the truth. In very rare situations, the government can revoke citizenship. And understanding when and how this happens is extremely important, especially if you're a naturalized citizen. So in this video, we'll break down everything you need to know clearly, simply, and without confusion. What is U.S. citizenship? Let's start with the basics. Citizenship isn't just a passport. It's your identity, your legal protection, and your full membership in the U.S. There are two main types. Natural-born citizens, people born in the U.S. protected by the 14th Amendment. Naturalized citizens, people who earn citizenship through a legal process. Here's the key difference. Natural-born citizens are almost completely protected from losing their citizenship involuntarily. But naturalized citizens? There are a few rare exceptions where their citizenship can be taken away. Denaturalization, the main way citizenship is revoked. The primary way the government can strip citizenship is through something called denaturalization. This only applies to naturalized citizens, not those born in the U.S. Denaturalization happens when the government proves that citizenship was obtained illegally or through fraud. And this process takes place in federal court, where strong evidence is required. Let's break down the main reasons. 1. Illegal procurement. This means you were not actually eligible for citizenship when you applied. For example, you didn't meet residency requirements. You failed to show good moral character. If these requirements weren't met, your citizenship could be revoked later. 2. Fraud or misrepresentation. If you lied or hid important facts during your application, that's a serious issue. Examples include hiding a criminal record, failing to disclose a deportation order, giving false information during interviews. A key legal ruling clarified that the lie must be material, meaning it could have affected the decision to grant citizenship. 3. Membership in hostile or subversive groups. If, within 5 years of becoming a citizen, you're found to have been involved with groups hostile to U.S., like terrorist organizations, your citizenship can be revoked. 4. Military-related revocation. If someone gains citizenship through military service but receives a dishonorable discharge before completing 5 years, they may lose their citizenship. How common is denaturalization? Here's something important. This process is extremely rare. On average, only about 11 cases per year were recorded over several decades. The number does not fix. However, there was an increase in attention in recent years. Around 40% of cases filed since 2008 happened after 2017, especially after a Special Department of Justice unit was created in 2020. Still, compared to millions of citizens, the numbers remain very small. What happens if citizenship is revoked? If someone is denaturalized, they lose U.S. citizenship. They return to their previous status, like a green card holder. In some cases, they may face deportation. So while rare, the consequences are serious. Renunciation, giving up citizenship voluntarily. Now, let's talk about another way citizenship can be lost, but this one is voluntary. It's called renunciation. This happens when a person intentionally chooses to give up their U.S. citizenship. Common ways people renounce citizenship. Under U.S. law, this can happen if someone becomes a citizen of another country with the intention to give up U.S. citizenship, takes an oath of allegiance to another nation, serves in a foreign military hostile to the U.S., formally renounces citizenship at a U.S. embassy abroad, commits acts like treason against the U.S. But here's the key point. Intent matters. For example, simply joining a foreign military does not automatically cancel your citizenship, unless you clearly intended to give it up. Recent trends in renunciation. In 2023, around 5,900 people gave up their U.S. citizenship. Common reasons include tax obligations, dual citizenship conflicts, personal or financial decisions, Concerns and controversies. In recent years, denaturalization has sparked debate. Some organizations worry that increased enforcement could create fear among immigrants or target minor mistakes. However, the government has stated that efforts mainly focus on serious cases like terrorism, war crimes, or major fraud. How to protect your citizenship. The good news? Protecting your citizenship is simple if you follow the rules. Here's what you should do. Always be honest in immigration forms and interviews. Keep records of your entire naturalization process. Stay informed about your legal rights. 2026 enforcement updates. U.S. enforcement has sharply escalated. After a June 2025 DOJ memo, denaturalization became a top priority, with aggressive case expansion in 2026. USCIS now refers 100 to 200 cases monthly to the DOJ, far above past levels, 10 to 40 annually. By April 2026, 384 individuals were identified in a first wave, with cases distributed across many U.S. attorney offices. Authorities are targeting fraud or misrepresentation, national security risks, and serious criminal activity. Importantly, civil denaturalization has no statute of limitations, meaning cases can be reopened even decades later. Honesty and awareness are your best protection. Losing U.S. citizenship is extremely uncommon, but it is legally possible in specific situations. For natural-born citizens, protection is almost absolute. For naturalized citizens, the key is simple. Follow the law, be truthful, and stay informed. So, what do you think about these rules? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on immigration and legal topics. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.